everyone. Today I'm going to be making tropical island pecan pie. What all goes into the tropical island pecan pie? 1 pie crust. You want to leave this out for about 15 minutes so it can roll out and be more pliable. You can either be homemade or store-bought, or probably even frozen. I'm just doing this one and hope I can make it work. 1 3/4 cups sugar, 1 cup pecans roughly chopped, 1 cup crushed pineapple drained, 1 cup shredded coconut, plus a little bit more that you will toast for topping, 1/2 cup or 1 stick unsalted butter melted, 5 eggs room temperature, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon flour, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. So let's begin. All right, so according to the pie crust instructions, if you're going to make a pecan pies, you need to flour both sides of the pie crust. I do want to roll it out a little bit because my pie crust has high sides. Now that it's sat for 15 minutes, it's a little bit pliable. My cutting board is not very large, so I'll just be rotating it around just a little bit, just to spread it out a little bit. This would fit more for not deep dish without rolling it out. Get a little bit of flour on my rolling pin. Usually I end up putting more flour than I need, but I'd rather have more than not enough. And just work it out so it spreads a little bit so it will fit. I'm going to break that up a little bit. And then I'm going to put it this way. I'm going to rub this in. And I'm going to roll this a little bit as well. I have my pie plate. They say to use a 9-inch dish. You could probably just use a round dish. I'm going to stretch that out so it fits, and then I'm going to crimp it, and I'll be back. Not the best crimping I've ever done, not the worst either. I'm going to let that set aside until I get everything ready. I usually have the sides fall down as they're baking, so I expect them to shrink down. Forewarning, preheat your oven to 350. Take a large bowl, dump in your 1 3/4 cup of sugar, your 5 eggs, your 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and beat that until fully combined. Then pour in your 1 stick of melted unsalted butter and mix that in. Then fold your 1 cup of pecans, roughly chopped. Fold your 1 cup of crushed pineapples, drained. Hold that in. Probably should have used a different color bowl so you could see in here better. And your 1 cup of shredded coconut. Mine is sweetened. It didn't say whether it should be sweetened or unsweetened, but that's all I had. And fold that in as well. Pour in the pecan mixture into the pie crust. Smooth it out. Then put your tropical island pecan pie in a preheated 300-degree oven. So I messed that up. I'm glad I caught it. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Place your tropical island pecan pie in a preheated 300-degree oven and bake it for 55 minutes until almost set. After the 55 minutes, as you can see, it's getting pretty brown around here. It's almost set. The center is still not set. We want to put on some aluminum foil or one of these silicone things. And I'm going to do the silicone thing. I've never done it with this pie pan before. And that covers up the crust so the rest of the pie can get done and the crust will not burn. We'll put it back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until fully set. So after 19 minutes, I took it out of the oven, touched the middle of it, and it bounces back. This one kind of went down in there. I believe it's done. I hope it's done. We'll let it cool and then we'll garnish it and serve it. So here is the tropical island pecan pie. It kind of fell apart getting it out of the pan. It is topped with toasted coconut and a little bit of whipped cream. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I am not recognizing this.
It fell apart coming out of the pan.
Well, I'm fixing to crunch it up more. Well, that's interesting. That's kind of like I don't know, it's a coconut pie with pecans in it.
Well, that's kind of what it is. It is a tropical island pecan pie. It's got pineapple and coconut and pecans in it.
That's pretty good. Well, it's kind of late for me to eat. I wasn't planning on eating the whole thing, but that's what's going to happen now. I like this.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.